Oh no. Ow! Did it drop into a snore? What the fuck? YouTube, welcome, man. You know it's your boy Click, and you're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at the funniest leg day gym fails. I know you guys see some clips here and there, but it's just a comp of all the funniest, I guess, of 2021 into one thing. It's just like, guys, lift what you can lift. You know what I'm saying? If you can't, I get it. Sometimes, you know, you're chasing something like a PR or whatever it is. But goddamn, man, use some safety pins. Use some help. Let there be help. You know what I'm saying? Because this shit is not good for you. Injuries, embarrassment, all that shit is going to happen. You know what I'm saying? Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about these fails that are about to happen. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later, man. Peace. Yo, bro, you knew damn well that was not gonna work out for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you knew. You knew. Alright. You realize that one was hard. I don't think you should have done another one. Yeah. Oh, shit. He missed the fuck out of those safety pins.
Okay, ruining the
My brother, I can just see it's not gonna work well for you.
video, dude.
When it's too tall for you.
Get some! Let's go, black man!
What the fuck?
Good black man. My ladies. And man. Fuck. Hey, Jared.
Jared, I could have told you that was not gonna work out well. And get this, right? Like, a lot of these people don't seem to get injured from it, and I'm very surprised because this is some crazy shit. Oh, ow!
Shit.
I'm an Olympic lifts, man. No man is. Oh, fuck! I'll tell you this right now, no man is spotting me on no squats like that. You must be mad.
Hold it.
Hold what?
Stop it. Stop it.
Man said hold. Like what? Oh no! Ow! Did it just drop into a snore? What the fuck? Oh my god. That shit slapped him like the power of Thor. There you go.
225.
Okay. Safety pin is right there, but you went past it. So you don't have the help of it. Hey, you're good, you're good. Oh, you just met. I shouldn't be laughing at this. This shit is funny though, bro. You just missed the safety pin. Ow. I could have ended up so badly for him. Fuck. You almost went to see Jesus. You laughing like that? Yeah, at least. Oh shit. Oh shit. And this nigga that started walking away from this man to deal with it. So wicked. Oh no. Oh shit. Ow. These Olympic lifts kill me, bro. Seems like it might kill some of these people too. Boom indeed. I hate these squat racks. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. You are so lucky.
Push, 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 push. Back.
Oh. It hooked her here. What's wrong with this man? But you better click that shit and get out of there. Oh! What a nice friend, laughing at him like that. Bro. Mm-hmm.
The fuck? God damn it. God damn it. What the? Let's take it.
What the fuck? God damn it is right. I don't know why people don't set up the hooks in the right spot. Like, if you're not that tall. Alright, nigga. Nah, I never know that legs could be skinnier than mine. I mean, at least he putting in some kind of work, right? Like, you know, make no mistake. It still takes a little bit of effort to take that shit off the rack. But you're gonna fuck up. Okay, you good. What can you do? Goku easy now. Yep. Yep. These lifts, man. Ow. This girl front flip. Boop. Rolling on your head. Nigga, what was you doing? What was you doing, nigga? Like. Alright, Albert. You got it? Breathe! What the fuck? Nah, you ain't got that shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Why the fuck your knees so banded? Like, is that allowed? Steph's about to pass out before the bar even gets lifted. Yeah. That breathing? Oh shit. Yo. Hey, yo. Yeah, she was not ready for that shit. That shit is wild.
Let's go.
Y'all niggas be squatting shit and have no fucking safety pins out. Ow. That is fucking gross. Why did he scream like that? Oh my god. Ow. That is so dangerous, man. Like, your spine could be done for. Off balance. It was too heavy for him. Yo, these guys at the ceiling fucked him up. Cause they tried to get off, but they pushed down. Y'all niggas try to do too much sometimes, man. Pass out. She sounds like a sheep. Wait, what the fuck is this? What the fuck? Not gonna lie though, I've seen this girl before. She's super dazed. The screaming is crazy though. Some motivation right there. Alright, I guess he's not gonna squat, he's just gonna pass out. He about to pass out. Oh shit, that bar's about to break. He can't put that shit back up. Oh no. Oh no. He handled that shit the best. That must not be an Olympic bar because there's no way it shit bent like that. I know it's a lot of weight and all, but damn. Maybe it was just old and it was already warped. Guys, let me know what you think about that comp of the leg day fails, man. I definitely do not get close to any of that shit because I make sure I put up the damn safety pins, you know what I'm saying? Especially for squats. People be acting like they're Superman, and you guys have to remember, unfortunately, you're not, you know what I'm saying? I'll catch you guys later, man. I appreciate you for watching. Peace.